that shroud coming out. Screws, he said. One screw right there. I'm listening to my podcast. And then you turn the wheel so you can get to the top part. You want to pull this down and pull the actual column out. You see? Now, gently, this pops out. This are pretty tight. These guys are pretty tight. So I use something like this to get into the corner. Right there. And you see they're just little clips. Clip, 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 clip. Alright. Now that allows you to remove the top part of the shell. And then you got screws. One over here, and you can just grab the wheel and just pull. And there's another one right there, which I also removed, and then it just falls to the floor. So there you go. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.